Good morning, all of you. I'm just taking out my mask, and you see, there is a chain I hanged in my mask. ये देखो मास्क में चेन लगाया हुआ है मैम ने. Like this, you will put some thread or chain. Okay, fine. अब ये मेरा मास्क नीचे नहीं गिरेगा. See, our new football ground in our school. See, ये हमारा नया फुटबॉल ग्राउंड है. सो नाइस ना. आप लोग यहाँ आके फुटबॉल मैच खेल सकते हैं. एंड सी सो मेनी ट्रीज आर हियर. देखो सारी सराउंडिंग में देखो हमारे all sides there are so many trees. See, we grow so many flowers here. कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं flowers. See, plants, flowers. You know why we grow all these things here? क्योंकि it gives us oxygen and उसका एटमॉस्फेयर मेक द एटमॉस्फेयर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. फ्लावर्स आते हैं तो हमको अच्छा लगता है, ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, चारों तरफ अच्छा लगता है. आई विल शो सो मेनी मोर फ्लावर्स. सी, यहाँ पे कितने सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, कितनी ब्यूटी आ रखी है. In our school we plant so many trees and trees gives us oxygen and that is very important for our body. हमारी बॉडी में यदि ऑक्सीजन जाएगी तभी तो हम हेल्दी होंगे. We can breathe nicely. So grow more tree, grow more tree, grow more tree. Good morning. So again I am here with English class. And what we will do today? Today we will do oil. 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 O and year. When comes together, oil. 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 Which sound we are doing? Oil. Oil. Which picture is this? This is a boy. And boy wears pant and t-shirt. Boy. Before oil, I will put here B. B oil boy. B oil boy. What is this? It's a toy. A teddy bear. And this is also toy. A horse. Both are toys. Okay? Before oil, I will put T. T oil toy. Before oil, I will put T. T oil toy. And there is one more word. बहुत मस्ती करती है. That is called J oil joy. खूब मस्ती करते हैं. Enjoy. क्या करते हैं? Joy. Enjoy. Joy. बहुत मस्ती करने को joy कहते हैं. Okay. Now you will read, write in your English notebook, but don't forget to revise A की sound. Okay, fine. Till then, bye.